guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chaitali and I make content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So as the temperatures are rising, it's the perfect time to explore some refreshing fruity fragrance shampoos that can keep your hair healthy, vibrant and smelling divine. So without any further ado, let's get started. First up is Garnier Fructis Avocado, Coconut and Olive Oil's Nutri Repair 3 Nourishing Shampoo. It is meant for dry hair. It claims to add shine and 2 times nourishment to your hair. This is a cruelty-free product. It has a plant keratin-based vegan formulation. It retails for Rs 349 for 315 ml of product, but mostly on sale for 40 to 60% price off at a DMart online using DMart Ready app. I have already used 2 whole bottles of this product and this one is my 3rd bottle, so I can safely say it is one of my favorite shampoos. It has a subtle fruity fragrance that lingers on my hair for 3 to 4 days. It has a mild orangish yellow colored gentle creamy formulation. This shampoo has SLES, which is milder as compared to SLS. It cleanses my scalp very well without stripping off moisture from my scalp and without drying my hair strands. According to the ingredients list, it does have a significant quantity of olive fruit oil, sunflower seed oil, rosemary leaf extract, coconut oil, avocado oil and glycerine, which are goody ingredients. I would highly recommend you guys to try this shampoo if you have dry hair and if you can get your hands on it. Second is this Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Green Apple Shine and Gloss Shampoo for glossy healthy hair. The brand claims to be organically pure, preservative free and dermatologist tested. Says no animal testing. It retails for Rs 625 for 650 ml of product, but you can certainly get it on a discounted price if you check its price online on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, etc. Also, smaller bottles are available if you do not want to invest in a bigger bottle. Now, there is no proper ingredients list mentioned on the bottle, but it does mention that it has green apple extract, seal algae, centella, bringaraj and hibiscus flower. I have used this shampoo in the past and I think this is my 3rd or 4th bottle, so this explains that I like it and I prefer it especially during the hot and humid seasons. It has a pleasant green apple fragrance that is very refreshing. The shampoo has a light green colored gel-like formulation. It cleanses my scalp and hair very well and leaves a lingering fruity smell for 3 to 4 days. Although it says shampoo and conditioner, but I suggest using an appropriate conditioner is better so that your hair strands and ends don't feel dry. I think if you have normal to oily hair, then you can certainly try this shampoo. Third is Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Kids Apple Blossom Shampoo. Again, the brand claims to be organically pure, preservative free and pediatrician tested. Says no animal testing. It retails for Rs 169 for 180 ml of product, but you may get it on a discounted price if you check its price online on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, etc. Now, there is no proper ingredients list mentioned on this bottle too, but it does mention it has apple, masonry grass, Indian pennywort, soap pod, aloe vera, Indian soap berry and coconut. I have used this shampoo in the past and this is my 2nd bottle. Although it's a kid's shampoo, but I do like it, especially if I want to use a milder shampoo. It has a pleasant fruity apple fragrance that is quite refreshing. The shampoo has a light green colored gel-like formulation. It cleanses my scalp and hair well and leaves a lingering fruity smell for 2 to 3 days. So guys, you can certainly try this shampoo for your kids or yourself if you want a gentle fruity fragrance shampoo and let me know if you like it. Fourth is again a kids shampoo. It is a Loreal Kids Extra Gentle 2-in-1 Very Berry Strawberry Shampoo. It says no tears, no knots for cotton candy soft hair. This is my 2nd bottle. I like to try kids shampoos as they are gentle and conditioning. I think it retails for Rs 899. I bought it for Rs 469 from Amazon as it was on a sale. It has a mildly reddish gel-like formulation and has fruity strawberry fragrance. It does have SLES, lathers well and cleanses my scalp nicely. I don't feel the need to use a conditioner when I use this shampoo as it's quite conditioning by itself. So guys, if you like strawberry scented shampoos, then you might like this one too for yourself or your kids. Fifth is this Biotique Advanced Organics Banana Deeply Nourishing Shampoo for normal to dry hair. It claims to be 100% vegan, organically pure, preservative free and dermatologically tested. Also no animal testing. It retails for Rs 330 for 300 ml of shampoo. The bottle does not bear any ingredients list. It just mentions with organic certified Himalayan banana oil. It has a mild yellow creamy formulation and smells like bananas. Despite being so moisturizing, it cleansed my scalp very well without leaving it dry or flaky. Even though it is a softening and conditioning shampoo, I still went ahead and used the Garnier Fructis Nutri Repair conditioner. This shampoo conditioner duo went well and left my hair soft and manageable. So that is a wrap for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more. Also, don't forget to share your comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!